Hi, my name is Elizabeth Leva, and this is my video for assignment chapter 6. The Washington Monument Strategy refers to where a government agency is told to break a budget. But instead of breaking something small, they decide to close off something much more popular. This is misleading through the diminishing marginal utility. The DMU is the less satisfaction you get from consuming something, which means the more you consume, the less satisfaction you feel, such as pizza. As you can see here in the demonstration that I have shown you, the first slice that you eat has 10 utilities, which means it's amazing at first and you have full satisfaction in what you're eating. The second slice is still good. You're still kind of getting a little full at this time, but you still have satisfaction of what you're eating. By the fourth or fifth slice, the utilities is -2, which means you're eating too much. You have too much slices and you're not satisfied anymore, which means you don't want to eat anymore. In the graph here, it shows the marginal utility, and it goes by numbers. The quantity is how many slices that you've had. This right here shows the less satisfaction that you have by eating the pizza. So you can see as the line goes down, it's the less satisfaction you have of eating pizza. The DMU also sacrifices what people are about the most, instead of sacrificing something that people are least about. In conclusion, the Washington strategy is just a tad bit dramatic and it wastes resources. The smarter approach is to cut programs that give the least value for each dollar spent. This is my answer to question 2. Can the utility increase while the marginal utility diminishes? And my answer is yes. As long as the marginal utility remains positive, the utility can increase. This is a typical scenario where the initial consumption is consumed by a person or a thing, and it brings satisfaction. But the more it is consumed, the less satisfaction they feel over time. This is typical in scenarios where the initial consumption of a good brings substantial satisfaction. But the more it is consumed by a person or a thing, the less satisfaction they feel over time. This can be considered in the diagram that I have given and the graphs of the pizzas. And with this, I finalize my video for chapter 6. Thank you so much for your time.